Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon for the latest updates. Today we will discuss about how we can send money from SafePay to your Afterpay. It is a question: can you send money from SafePay to your Afterpay? If you can send money from your SafePay to your Afterpay wallet, first of all, SafePay is actually a crypto wallet, which means it stores your cryptocurrency. Now the cryptocurrency cannot be transferred to Afterpay. The second thing is Afterpay is not a bank account and it does not store any money. The Afterpay is actually a platform which you allow to buy the things and you can actually pay for those products in installment. So in short, the payment that you are making in Afterpay are from your bank account, so it does not store any money. And the second thing, SafePay is not money transferring option. It is actually a wallet which will you to allow to store and send crypto money, so that the pretty much it is that what it is hope. You guys find these videos helpful. If you find this videos helpful, please subscribe this channel and also share to those friends who don't know about this topic. Thanks for watching.